All right, we are at the DoubleTree by Hilton, downtown Jacksonville, Florida. And it looks like these might be modernized Dovers. And it randomly pressed 1 for me. That's weird. Some violent doors. Dang, these are pretty fast. Let's get a cab view. Decent overall, and we're stopping at 9.
Yeah.
Going down?
Yes, sir.
Going to 1?
Yes.
Thank you.
No problem. Stopping at 7. Or 6, actually.
What's going on, girl? Take this to the context.
Right there.
Yeah, you did your 2 hours? I had to put it up when I come back. You know the yellow things on the board?
Let me go back and get that board.
Right, I can match you, I can match you.
Are you going to parking?
Yes, baby.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm thinking of. I'm looking at something else.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, Tori.
You too. Oh. Huh. Someone shut the door, and it pressed 1 for no reason. Bruh. Why is this thing keep pressing 1 is the real question. Looks like Dovers that were slapped on with Innovation Universal. Hey, at least it's red. Still pretty interesting though. And they're very fast as well. And here we are at 1.